So this is the problem number 8 of GATE 2017. Let ZT equals to XT star YT, where star denotes the convolution operation. Let C be a positive real valued constant. Choose the correct expression of ZCT. Option E, CXCT, convolution YCT. Option B, XCT, convolution YCT. Option C, CXT, convolution YCT, and option D, CXCT, convolution YT. Now, what we get from the question, ZT is XT convolution YT. Now, if I apply this Laplace transform, what we have, ZS is equals to XS into YS, right? Now, if Z ZT have the Laplace transform of Z of S, then Z of CT, and if C is a constant, that this Laplace transform will be 1 by C into Z S by C, right? So this is the properties of a Laplace transform. Now if I put this Z in place of this, we have 1 by C Z of S by C, right? Now what we have in this expression, 1 by C, this will be X S by C, Y S by C, right? Now if I take the Laplace transform of this expression, this will be 1 by C, and apply these properties again. Okay, now Z S by C, what will be Z S by C if I take the Laplace transform? Okay, it will be C into Z CT. So here X S by C will be C into X CT, and convolution, what will be Y S by C? It will be C into Y CT, right? And if I cancel it out, we will get C into XCT convolution YCT, right? So the correct option will be option A,